time does come, you're leaving it in some pretty capable hands.
Oh, for sure. I mean, as Shubman said, I try to speak to these guys as much as possible, try to share my experience, how I've been able to play for so long, try to step in wherever I can to help improve their games. And yeah, it's only, as they rightly say, when you leave, you want to leave the place in a better position. And that's our effort. That's what we're striving for, that when eventually we are finally done at whatever stage, we have a squad that's ready to take on the world for the next 8-10 years. And these guys definitely have the talent to do so. And also the game awareness. And, they've stepped up already. So many impactful innings. This guy's played. Shreyas, beautiful. KL's been finishing games. So Hardik's a match winner. So, we are in good hands.
Just a word on the final. And they're playing against New Zealand, how much you enjoy that and how tough an opponent they are.
They're very consistent. They come up with plans and they execute it with the utmost accuracy that they can. And playing against them is always a challenge. We know that they're gonna give it their all, whether be it in batting, bowling, or fielding. And we definitely saw that tonight. Wasn't that easy chase for us. And credit to them, the way they come out and play consistent cricket.
I know you've got a long history with some of the New Zealand players. Kane in particular. Sad to see him not on the field for the fielding side of things tonight. But your experiences playing against New Zealand?
Well, amazing. We've always been in awe of what they can do with the limited number of players they've had over the years and just maximize their talent to the absolute maximum. Every time we played against them in big games, they're going to come with a set plan, and no other team in world cricket executes plans as well as they do. They just know, every fielder knows where the bowler's going to bowl, and you can sense it. They're all attacking the ball because they know the bowler's going to be so accurate. So credit to them. They've been probably the most consistent team in the last few years in big tournaments. And the reason for that is their immense belief in their skills and the amount of talent they have. They utilize that to the maximum, and easily the best fielding side in the world. So yeah, huge shout out to them. They continue to display why they are one of the top teams in the world. And again, a great campaign. Sad to see a very good friend of mine on the losing side, but I've been on the losing side a couple of times when he's been on the winning side. So only love between us.
Absolutely brilliant to watch you both throughout the tournament. Congratulations, celebrate well, and excellent performance. Thank you so much.